I'm almost to McAfee Knob, and starting to see some very large rocks. Getting pretty excited for this. Oh, I think we're gonna have a good sunset. That's it. That's the thing.
That was really nice. Cool. Nice to meet you. Wow. I didn't know he was Atlas. How did you figure that out? Oh, he said he knew Atlas.
Yeah. I've known both Atlases.
Yeah, but this is like the really good
That's the good one, yeah.
Stop it. The one who lives up to the same thing to the other one.
The sun is going to light the bottom of these clouds up in a second here. This is amazing.
Wow.
Yes. The fireworks show is just getting better and better. Video does not even begin to do this justice. That's amazing.
I think Dwayne the Rock.
That's Roanoke.
Michael something.
That is gorgeous too.
Michael something.
I think we're going over here tomorrow.
Yeah.
Came up for the sunrise and there's not much of a sunrise. So McAfee Knob, the knob itself is just past these trees over here. I'm down a little bit past it. This thing right in front of me, on the other side of that is the Tinker Cliffs. I'll be going over that in a little bit. And then I think Daleville is right in front of us there. That's where we're going tonight. And that over here is Roanoke. It's pretty wild. This is crazy. These rocks are huge. And there's a lot of them. You just kind of thread your way through them. That's amazing. Scorched Earth Gap. That sounds ominous. Wow. There's the blaze. I just figured out that my cell phone holder that I really don't use too much for my cell phone, doesn't fit too well, is a great Pop-Tart holder. That's awesome. This is getting kind of crazy. I think this is the start of the Tinker Cliffs. Apparently, you need to go here. So, alrighty. Trail's kind of hard to follow here because we're going on the very edge of this amazing cliff. Hang on, let me find a better view here.
Video of just Trump saying China.
Yes.
I want to make one of those with us just saying Clingman's
Clayman's Dome.
We'd have to have a camera on us all the time.
Hello.
What's up?
We would not need to have a camera on us all the time.
It is a video.
Good. I always look not awkward in this.
It's everybody looks super awkward all the time, which is why they are what they are.
Great.
But that's the thing we were on this morning.
Over there.
Where's the knob?
All the way over
That
there.
big thing right in front of us there.
The knob.
It's the Knob. Right?
Yep. It's that same valley. It's the same valley we were looking at over there.
This is great trail. Is this awesome view here. That's the Knob back there. And the mountain laurels. It's great. Yikes. I think that's called the well. Wow. Looks like there's a power plant down there. These are some serious power lines. They're hissing away today. This is the Troutville Municipal Park, and they let hikers camp in the pavilion and apparently also sleep in their little grandstand shelter looking thing. And that's sweet. I'm about to blast out my food bag. This kind of looks like it might be a pretty old marker. And we're going up pretty steep. These guys over here are they're section hikers, and they just gave me an ice cold Coke. And I am on the little part of the Blue Ridge Parkway. This made my afternoon. Thanks, guys.
You have anti-chafe stuff?
I do. Do you need it?
Nope. But you mentioned that your ass was shaking.
Yeah.
I wanted to make sure you're all set. Because I care about your butt health.
Thank you.
Just a little. So.
Getting some pretty decent sunsets out here.